Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a fun video. I'm officially announcing we are going to war against Morgan and Morgan. As many of y'all know, I'm a catastrophic personal injury lawyer. I started my own law firm 3 years ago. I am now up to 6 people at my law firm, and we are in the midst of opening up our 3rd office. What does this mean? It means I'm on the trajectory to become the biggest personal injury law firm in the entire United States. Okay, that's actually not true. I have no interest in being the biggest personal injury law firm in the United States because I have no interest in dealing with small personal injury cases like car wrecks where people's backs are hurt. I work on significant cases like wrongful death, people who get burned, people who get paralyzed, catastrophic. Just because I don't want to be the biggest law firm doesn't mean I don't want to be the most famous law firm. So as of today, I'm officially declaring war against the most famous personal injury law firm in the United States, Morgan and Morgan. This is a firm with over 500 employees, and if I would have to guess, I'd bet you they spend more than $50 million a year on advertising. Now, normally I'm totally cool and supportive of other lawyers, but Morgan & Morgan recently did something that I cannot forgive. They reached over their boundary of just paying for advertisement and being the biggest buyer in the room, and they are encroaching on my space on the internet by making memes. And unfortunately, I have to say that they did something that I wish I thought of. What is that, you might ask? Well, let me introduce you to the Morgan and Morgan jingle contest, the battle of the jingles. Win 100K for creating a catchy new jingle. So here's how this works. You create a catchy jingle, you submit it to the website. The winner of the jingle gets $100,000, and you have to abide by these 4 steps that are very basic. Now, you might be asking yourself, Tom, why is that a big deal? Here's why that's a big deal. The jingle is actually not important at all. They're getting thousands of submissions, and they are just replaying all the jingles, basically giving themselves free advertising. Now, I wonder if there was another lawyer who actually made a significant amount of money by making content on the internet. Ding, ding, ding. You guessed right. Legal Eagle. But in all seriousness, the jingle contest is one reason why I'm upset. The other reason why I'm upset is because about a year ago, we went on a very epic and long quest to make the most catchy / annoying personal injury jingle there is, and we had fantastic results. Now, this jingle has not seen the light of day since we made the video announcing that we created the jingle, because your boy doesn't pay to have jingles advertised because, you know, budgets. But I thought this was as good as a time as ever to re-air the jingle to remind Morgan and Morgan and any other personal injury lawyer out there that I have the best jingle. Prepare your ears to listen to the best thing you have ever heard.
Injured in an accident and not sure what to do, AttorneyTom.com can get a settlement for you.
Absolute banger. We need to listen to it again.
Injured in an accident and not sure what to do, AttorneyTom.com can get a settlement for you.
I mean, seriously, that is just the best 8 seconds you can ever hear. You know what? I'm creating a competition of my own. The animation of the Attorney Tom jingle. If you animate my jingle, an 8-second animation, the winner will get just $500 because I'm poor. So here are the rules for the entry. 1, you must make an animation to that jingle. 2, you must upload it on the r/AttorneyTom Reddit. 3, if I win, the $500 I'm going to give you is in exchange for ownership of the video, because I'm going to spam that everywhere, probably in every YouTube video I'm going to make. And 4, that's it. There's no 4. There are no more rules. This day will go down in history as one of the most important days of American jurisprudence. The day that Attorney Tom decided to overtake the big, bad personal injury lawyers who spend tens of millions of dollars a year. I'm going to meme my way to the top, and I'm going to get YouTube AdSense money doing it. We will stop for no one. But in all seriousness, please do not call my law firm for a small personal injury case. I literally have too much work as it is. I only do catastrophic injuries. This actually isn't even advertising. I literally just want to meme my way to the top. I want to be more famous than them because it's going to be really funny because all these lawyers spend tons of money and I pretty much just make an idiot of myself on the internet, yet still get lots of business. And one last thing before I go, if anybody from Morgan & Morgan is watching this, I don't know. I've never met anybody from Morgan & Morgan. John Morgan actually seems like a really cool guy. But in order to be the man, you have to beat the man. And unfortunately, y'all are just in my way. Nothing personal. It's just showbiz. So to recap, Morgan & Morgan is using this jingle stunt to get way more than $100,000 of free publicity. I'm upset I didn't think of that. I am the king of internet memes. I already have the best jingle on the planet.
Injured in an accident and not sure what to do. AttorneyTom.com can get a settlement for you.
And I'm having a competition of my own, $500, whoever creates the best animation to that jingle. And finally, if you support this cause, feel free to leave a like and consider subscribing to this community. We do a lot of fun stuff. We cover a whole bunch of subjects, and we don't declare war on a weekly basis. It's a very quarterly type thing. So we actually do some educational stuff over here. All right, y'all. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.
Injured in an accident and not sure what to do. AttorneyTom.com can get a settlement for you.